by the eyes as animals.
Baby, come back.
Wala na, naklak ko na. And hospitality education. The college
Papasok kayo lang yung course ninyo na may schedule exam, okay?
Automatic siya. Pag yung deadline ng submission, hindi kayo naka-deadline.
with a scarf. The uniform will be paired with a
Meron tayong ballroom currently available today. So,
Kaya nalatid na kami.
Ay, God. Hindi natin doon, walang upuan, no?
Di ba nakasakay ng train si Ben?
Okay guys, we're gonna see if I can plancha this with this. Kasi hindi ako sanay. Masanay ako doon sa traditional. But we'll see. Okay. Pwede na ba to i-ganon? back. 1, 2, 3, go. Baby, come back. Ay, wala ko.
Ay, nakaiba pa lang lahat.
Uy, pumipila na si... Here we go! Here we go! Pagpasok pa na rin ito. Hi guys! 15. We're here! Oh my God! We're so excited! I'm here, Via.
Hi, Ate Saya.
Ay! I believe. Asaan ang light stick? Ano ko yun? Ay, hindi. Yung tawa mo lang. Babayaw. Babayaw. Si Ate. Sabay-sabay tayong papasok ah. Yes, guys. Ay, video. Ano video format nyo?
Ano, yung dual sa akin.
Hello, soda all. Bigat tong bag, no? Nakakabigat tong bag ko. So guys, canceled ang orientation and orientation lang naman. Welcome walk namin, nakapag-welcome walk na kami. Pero wala kaming orientation. We're so heartbroken. Like, hindi pa kami nakakapag-ghost eh. Ghost eh. Guys, tapos na kami mag-kain. Tapos na kami mag-everything. And, pag-export na ako ng footage sa phone ko. So, basically, wala nang footage dito sa may camera. Ngayon, I don't know if pag in-edit ko to, check ko pa siya later sa bahay. But, ngayon, girl, guess what? Nawawala yung, yung clip ko na mismong pagtawid namin sa arch. Sa lahat ng footage na mawawala, yun pa. So, I don't know where to find it footage before kami sa arch. And then, after that, eto na siya, yung kumakain na kami. So, I don't know. I don't know what to do. I don't know. See you all on your orientation. Bye.
Bongga! Bongga siya.
Sige, go. We're gonna open the, what do you call this? The yung sa akin, it says, you're exactly where you're supposed to be.
Man, just do something that scares you once in a blue moon.
A bold and daring adventures in your future.
So, ano ma'am, make time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Make time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Pero nasa sarap ng cookies. Guys, say hi po.
Oh shit. Us.
We're gonna go to Matcha Fest. Yeah. We're here in kanina. Dapat mag-SM North lang kami. Nasa walang gumagana G. Tapos itong kusilin sabi niya, tara po. Hindi kami G naman kami. Pero hindi namin alam kung paano kami uuwi. Nandito kami, hindi namin alam paano kami uuwi. Pero kasalanan niya yun. Oh my God, ang daming people guys, no? Wash those. Oh my God. Hi! Does your cereal matcha have milk?
Yes.
Wait, what milk po yung
Yes, oatmeal.
Oh, okay. Isa pong cereal matcha.
Daily affirmation namin dormers. Ginugusto namin to. Boss, sama pa nga sa inyo.
Wala pa, available.